Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson. While watching these videos, please keep something to write with and your classwork books nearby. This will make it easier for you to take notes, write down interesting thoughts, and therefore have a better lesson. And perhaps, most importantly, although classes have been indefinitely suspended, learning never stops. Let's rock. Let's continue our dinosaur timeline. We already talked about the Triassic period. Now, the next period was called the Jurassic period. The Jurassic period was between 199 and 145 million years ago. It was also part of the Mesozoic era, and it is also known as the Age of Reptiles. Do you still remember what a reptile is? A reptile is a kind of cold-blooded animal. During the Jurassic period, dinosaurs continued to evolve. The first carnivores appeared. They were meat-eating dinosaurs. For example, these ones. They hunted other animals, even dinosaurs if they could, because this is how they survived. They didn't eat plants, they only ate meat. So these carnivores were predators, and the food that they ate was their prey. Also, during the Jurassic period, some other dinosaurs first appeared. These were not carnivores, they were herbivores. What is a herbivore? A herbivore is an animal that only eats plants. So these herbivores were plant-eating dinosaurs. Actually, these two you might know. The one with the special spikes or scales on its back is a Stegosaurus, and the one with the super long neck, almost looking a little bit like a giraffe, is a Brachiosaurus. Interesting fact about a Stegosaurus is that it is known as the dumbest dinosaur ever, or maybe even the dumbest animal ever. Why? Well, the size of its brain compared to the size of its body, the ratio of its brain to its body is the smallest of any animal that apparently ever lived on Earth. Perhaps that's one reason why we can't find Stegosauruses today. They were too silly and they didn't survive. Oh well. During the Jurassic period, some small mammals continued to evolve, and insects lived amongst the dinosaurs. Although they had to be careful not to become dinosaur food. Here is an interesting fun fact. Do you know the film Jurassic Park or maybe Jurassic World? There are so many of them. Perhaps some of you have seen some of these movies. The film Jurassic Park made the T-Rex one of the most famous dinosaurs. But the Tyrannosaurus Rex did not actually live during the Jurassic period. When did they live? Well, we will find out soon enough. During the Jurassic period, the dinosaurs that evolved became some of the biggest creatures ever to live, especially on land. Quiz time, quiz time. Uh-oh, were you paying attention? Well, here are some questions. The first one is carnivore. What is a carnivore, or what does it mean? Have a look at these options. You can only choose one. Option 1. A carnivore is a kind of animal that only eats dessert. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Cake, ice cream, chocolate, and so on. Option 2. Carnivores are animals that only eat plants. Vegetables, fruits, grass, tree leaves, and so on. Who knows? Option 3. Carnivores are animals that eat plants, animals, and just about any and everything. That means beef, chicken, meat, well, maybe not beef, chicken, and so on, but meat, plants, grass, and just anything that they can find to survive, they will eat it, as long as they like it, I guess, and as long as it's not poisonous. Option 4. Carnivores are animals that only eat meat. You may pause the video and continue when you think you have the right answer. Time's up. A carnivore is option 4. Carnivores are animals that only eat meat. During the Jurassic period, some carnivores first appeared, and these dinosaurs hunted other animals for their meat. Right, another question, and now the second question should probably be a little bit easier. Herbivore. What is a herbivore? Please have a look at the following options, and you may only choose one of the options. Option 1. A herbivore is an animal that only eats dessert. Yummy. Option 2. Herbivores are animals that eat plants, animals, and just about any and everything. Option 3. Herbivores are animals that only eat plants. Option 4. Herbivores are animals that only eat meat. You may pause the video and continue when you're ready. Sorry, time's up. Herbivores. Let's look at the options. I choose option 3. Herbivores are animals that only eat plants. So, if a dinosaur was a herbivore, that meant that it would not eat other dinosaurs, it wouldn't eat other animals, it would only eat plants, similar, for example, to cows, sheep, and so on these days. They are also herbivores. Another question, but this time you don't have any options. It's a very simple yes or no question. Did T-Rex or Tyrannosaurus Rex live during the Jurassic period? Yes or no? Well, the answer is no. Let's pause here. I think this is a good place to take a rest. We will continue talking about our dinosaur timeline in the next video. Okay, well, good job. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for listening to the video today. I hope you learned something. I hope it was useful. And take care. See you next time. Goodbye.